you find out they've got to be tied together or something like that. Well, yeah, trust me, but
That's
I told
hot.
you that's warm.
That's really hot. So if you drive your car, don't touch that yet. Let that cool off. Cool. So we got a bunch of ST3 sat-nav parts. So obviously we got this little cowl. We got a new unit like this. We've got a little radio thing. We've got a screen, and we've got like a little antenna and SD card, whatever you want to call it. I'm basically going to show you how to get this fitted into my ST. This screen's tiny. I don't like the tiny screen. I want sat nav, so we're going to get it changed. Alright, cool. First thing first, plop this out right here. Cool. There's a few clips here. So basically, you want to get something flat, like a flathead or plastic trim removal tool, along here or along here. Get them out, and then this plastic cowl will come off. So obviously, I'm being hella ghetto and I'm using scissors in it, but obviously you can use scissors to pop it out. Boom, cowl's off. Now there should be like 2 screws here. Obviously you can see it there, and then these 2 come off, and then we should be able to take this part off. Also, we got to take off 1 screw here, 1 screw here to disconnect the actual screen itself. Now let me show you a comparison of the screen size, because it's actually a bit bigger. I pause. That's a comparison. So like pretty much, yeah, it's kind of bigger. So basically we got 2, I think this is an 8mm, 2 8mm, and then 2 T10s or T25s or whatever. 1 torque screw here, 1 torque screw here, 1 up there, 1 over there, and then basically this comes off, and then should be a straight swap, and hopefully it should work.
So to get this off,
To get a little that flat.
so basically that, so what, so you push this down, so now this bit here, you push that clip in,
And then bring this
and then
up.
push that, yeah, so if I push that in, now you push up, yeah, now that pushes up, it'll pull itself out, now you give it a little wiggle, that's it. 1 finger again, yeah, 1 second. Right. Shit.
So it's literally like an upwards motion after you take out all the screws.
Yeah, but the upwards motion to catch this lip, you don't want to grab this bit, you've got to try and get your fingers behind it. So where the lip is, get your fingers behind it. Push up, and then I want to pop it from here with that flat again.
The flat here.
Get a little wiggle.
There we go. Conversion. Yeah, it kind of looks like a plug and play, you know. Kind of looks the same if you compare it. Yeah, so, do you know what I mean?
You could probably use the same. Actually, it might be tied with it. All right, so let's just put this in the back, so we know this is one that just got removed. This is one that's going to go on just in case.
So after you take off that other panel, whatever, put your hand behind. Like I said, if it's hot, don't touch it, because behind is hot. Every behind's hot. So you give it a little pull or push.
See that little
outwards.
plastic clip there?
And basically these clip into this little clip here. So 1 there and 1 on the right as well. So you got both on both sides. And then yeah, you unplug it and do a little swapperoo, and it should work. Hopefully, Ford doesn't act like Renault. But yeah, let's give that a go. Let's take.
Right, so
There you go. 2.
I'm gonna have to push it in, then pull the clip, and then give it a wiggle. There we go. Yeah, yeah. That's what the method. If it ever gets stuck, just push her back in. And this gonna be the same again. Yeah, it's gonna be very
Right there. So black was on the right, and then white was on the left. Cool. Now
let's get the new unit and see if everything's the same. If it is, but you could have had this done in 20, like what, half hour max? So you got. I'm glad that one's hot and one's cold.
yeah, this is the cold one.
Everything the same?
Yeah, I'd say so. It's got the same prongs. You know what I mean? It's all looking cool. So,
do it.
is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So pretty much, this is for your antenna. Kind of figured it out with the antenna that was sent as well, because if you was to undo it, it looks identical. So I'm guessing these two are linked with one cable. I think these are optional extras, like reverse camera, I think Parker sensors or something, or I don't know. But we are pretty much, the only thing that's common with the ST1/ST2 screens is probably the power cable. That's about it. And obviously you got a fan here to keep it cool, because obviously you got more stuff working with the screen. So yeah, let's plug this in. Or is it the other way? Or will that turn on?
It's just straight in. Yeah.
And then yeah, literally just slides in. Yeah, so that little prong would it goes. One sec, there we go. So pretty much this little bit here is like a little locating pin. I'm guessing with this as well, and they both slide into these two bits here. They previously used to be, actually we can even take these out because we don't need them. We can take these out, we don't need them because we're not using screws, they're just locating studs, and then we use the other screws for the other side. So pretty much go that into that, and then that into that, and then you just slide the holes over like so. Then obviously you can do your little adjustments and whatever when you guys are ready or when you're finished. Put the screws in, and then I don't think there's, because there's no screws at the back because we didn't undo any screws at the back, so I'm guessing just one screw there, and then the locating pin, and it just sits there like that. But before we go further, we are going to, we didn't even put this in yet, so we can't even turn it on and check it. Cool. Next step, we are gonna wire up this little CD unit thing. I think this is like the brain of it, and yeah, pretty much, is this the cold one? Yeah, this is the cold one.
Yeah, it's just.
And then pretty much this over that, then turn that around, this over that,
Give it a tug.
yeah, nice and cool. I'm guessing this one goes over here, this one goes over here, yeah, that goes over there. I'm bugging. So that goes like that, that clips in. Okay, that just vibrated. Gotta bring this over, clip this one in. Sorry for the angle, it's a bit tight. Pause. And
Now we can slide it back in.
pretty much. Where's the locating? Yeah.
Literally straight there, just catch the rail there. Make sure the cables aren't there. She should just slide in now. Yeah, little push.
Well, actually, we're missing one.
What, on it?
Yeah, there's one missing from
Broken.
there. So should I take the one from the old unit?
Depends how it sits in.
Okay, let me plug it in first and then see if it works. And then
Oh, he's bent. Oh, he's broken it.
so
Snap.
whoever.
Actually, no. Sorry, it's not broken. It's calm.
Oh, okay, cool. I was about to flame him.
I had a Rick and Morty t-shirt, jokes.
Oh, lovely.
Trust me, Rick and Morty's the best. That's why my cat's called Morty. A little shit though, I tell you.
Was that one meant a bit? If it's a bit, oh, it's the metal itself.
Yeah.
That should be alright. But yeah, we like to do stuff properly on the Shandy channel. That's in nice and tucked. Now, I forgot where this goes. Oh yeah, this goes into the actual unit itself. But before we do
So once
that,
that's plugged in,
let's screw this down. Do you want to
I wouldn't even screw anything in yet.
Yeah, you right. Obviously this slides like that. Boop. Let's do some editing. Now you're back facing the other way. Cool. And then put this in like so.
Alright, now the moment of truth. I wouldn't even push that in yet. I would literally have everything loose and then boom.
My heart.
Hope for the best.
My heart. We have power.
Perfect. Soon as the car starts, that'll come on.
Oh, I got it. Plug it in and that.
Oh, shit. Okay. Alright. Tighten that quickly. That's always gonna go off. Rah. Okay, no, it's working. That's on. Yeah, look, watch. Hold that quick.
Okay. Guys, I don't know because I'm ST2 in it, so Tay's all ST3, so he knows. So
Yeah.
we ain't got to start the car. It's working.
That's calm. That's working as is. So what you want to do is menu.
Got navigation.
Menu features. So you want to go up, down. Right. Let's just see with the vehicle settings. Let's see if we can change the vehicle settings. ESC.
AC on. AC off.
But everything works.
It works.
What
It's a
the
straight
fuck?
swap.
What the?
Ford, yeah. Ford or something else, man. Hopefully the music is the same. What's it?
Oh, Bluetooth. Let's check out the Bluetooth.
Yeah, so pretty much it's literally a straight swap. What we got to do is basically set up the sat nav, because obviously there's additional wires at the back that I don't know where the hell they go. So yeah, this is the antenna. I'm guessing this is for radio. Is that for radio? No, this is for sat nav. I think this is for sat nav. Yeah, so basically you didn't miss nothing. I just screwed that screw in and that screw. And we're just trying to get the new ones in, because obviously the old one just stayed in it because it was being a bit too close, but we got it out. And then we're gonna get it in.
Good news is there's nothing else we need to plug in at the back of this beast. So if everything's at the back of this unit now, at least we ain't got to pull this back out. Now we can just give her a little shimmy in. Shimmy, shimmy. Be very interesting to know if this unit would have worked with the other one as well. There's no screws here, was there?
No, there was no screws. The only thing is we got the 8mm and the two 7mm and the 2 Torx screws to plug it in, and then a cowl goes on top. And yeah, then we're gonna go do some more research on how to get the nav to actually work. Well, the nav works, as you guys can see.
I think we need a cable for...
Nav works, but you just need, you basically need your own cable. It's a change address.
Just
current position.
So we need a GPS.
Yeah.
I think it should be pretty universal. I'm hoping so, because we just basically need. It looks the same, but we just need a female to female.
Yeah, so basically all we need to do is just get a cable that stretches from that one to the back of this one, and you basically get your nav. And I'm currently looking on eBay, and we're seeing about 16, 17 quid for one cable, 13 quid down there. Oh, that
Coming from China.
Yeah. We need one of those, and then once that's done,
one like that. What, like 2 meter, 3 meter to be good? I reckon 3.
I'll say 3 meters, curl it up, and then you can hide it underneath there, innit?
Yeah, 3 meter. So.
But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We didn't use 4scan to activate anything. It was a straight swap, and it worked. Like, my Bluetooth is all the same. Like, for example, if I go to, I'll try to come out of this, if it would let me. Garbage. Not garbage.
So basically, the problem that we had was after we switched over the units, for some reason the speedometer bang smack in the middle was coming up with kilometers. Now we went in, checked all the modules, and there was no setting for it. We're thinking, what the hell is it? So we've just dived back into it, changed the touchscreen. So I went on to my car, checked what the setting was for my touchscreen, which was with display, no touchscreen, color MFD5. As soon as I clicked right and then it all done the settings, this went back to miles. So I don't know how the hell we figured that out, but yeah, it works. Happy days.
Can't complain, it works. I think that's the only thing for 4scan you need when you're doing a little switch over.
That was with an extended license.
Oh, you need an extended license, lads. You know what I mean?
Everything else works. And let's see if we've got any codes coming back up in this. Let's stop the service.